You tell me that you've got everything you want, and your bird can sing, but you don't get me. You don't get me.
Hello everyone. Hi, it's been a long time, and I want to apologize for that. Yeah, I feel really bad, and I feel like I should be put in those stocks, you know? And I feel like you all deserve to throw a tomato at me. But the only rules are one tomato per person, and you have to get back in line to throw them at me. And yeah, I feel really bad. I could have a lot of excuses on why I didn't make a vlog, but I feel like I'm gonna save you all the headache, because I know you don't want to hear it, because they're just a bunch of bad excuses on why I didn't make a vlog. Now, sorry, I keep hearing noises, and like I'm getting paranoid. I feel like my neighbors are out, and they're just looking at me like, what are you doing? I'm gonna do all the challenges I missed. That's not gonna make up for it, I know, but I might as well just start over again. Okay, starting with September 2nd. Did I do those challenges? You know what? It doesn't. Okay. Favorite Beatles song. I do current favorite Beatles song because I don't have an overall favorite Beatles song. Current favorite Beatles song, Dear Prudence. Least favorite Beatles song. Honey Pie? No, I mean not Honey Pie, Wild Honey Pie. I'll just say that, because, you know, it's just the same. It's funny, but it's just the same phrase over and over again. Favorite Beatles song by John Lennon. Probably Dear Prudence. Yeah. Favorite Beatles song by Paul McCartney. Honey Pie. Favorite song by George Harrison. Blue Jay Way. Favorite song by Ringo Starr. Probably Octopus's Garden. Okay, favorite Beatles song that rarely gets played and people don't really know. Underrated. Favorite underrated. Dude, I don't even remember what I said for that. Okay, well. Mean Mr. Mustard. I'm gonna say Mean Mr. Mustard. Okay, favorite song that reminds you of someone. Beatles song that reminds you of someone. Eleanor Rigby reminds me of my mom. Beatles song that reminds me of somewhere. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to visualize. It's so bad. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, Beatles song that reminds you of somewhere. I'm trying to think of a Beatles song that reminds me of the beach, because I know there is one. Oh my gosh, why is this? Why can't I think? Okay, Dear Prudence reminds me of the beach for some reason. And that's not even where John made it up. He made it up in India, so it doesn't, but that's okay. Okay, great cover of the Beatles song. I haven't actually listened to a lot of Beatles covers. Oh my gosh. Probably Elton John. Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. Probably the Elton John version. That's probably my favorite cover. A lot of people say he did it better than the actual Beatles, or actually better than John, but I think that's overdoing it a bit, don't you think? Okay, I'm gonna do this week's now. Okay, original version of a song the Beatles covered. Please, Mr. Post. Yeah. Mr. Postman. Beatles song you wouldn't mind hearing at your wedding. Probably there's a lot that I wouldn't actually mind hearing at my wedding. Gonna have to go with... My mind is going blank. This is really not okay. Probably like Honey Pie. I think that would be really cute to play at a wedding. But of course all of them I wouldn't really mind, except Revolution 9. That would probably be like the worst. That would be probably like a wedding gag. Okay, Beatles song for your funeral. Oh, I'm really good at choosing songs for my funeral. Okay, probably Can't Buy Me Love. Something upbeat. I want really like upbeat music at my funeral. I want everybody to dance. There's going to be a screen that pulls down, and you're going to see musicians playing over my casket, and that sounds really weird right now, so I'm going to stop. But I'm just giving you a visualization of my funeral. Okay. Beatles song that makes you dance. Probably a Hard Day's Night. Or basically any song from that album makes me want to dance. It's upbeat, and you just want to break out. Favorite Beatles ballad? Let me think. Why am I so bad? Probably Yesterday. I'm gonna go with Yesterday. That's probably my favorite Beatles ballad. Okay, so I've done all of the challenges I can do, at the moment. I just want to keep apologizing for the lack of vlogs. I need to get on top of it, and I will get on top of it. And feel free to still just think in your mind while you're watching this video of throwing tomatoes at me. And it makes it worse because I don't like tomatoes. So, there's equal satisfaction. Yeah. I hope you all have a good Sunday, rest of the week, the upcoming week. And, yeah.